Welcome to Learning English at Home. Today, you'll practice real English conversations at the airport, situations every traveler faces. You'll learn how to handle a carry-on rechecks, ask for lounge access, answer immigration questions, report a lost item politely. These dialogues help you speak with confidence and clear pronunciation while traveling abroad. Learning tip: listen first, then repeat aloud. Try both roles, traveler and staff. It's a great way to improve your speaking and listening together. Don't forget to follow, like, and share for more real English conversation practice.
Hi, I'm Alex Carter. I just heard my name called.
Hello, Mr. Carter. Yes, thank you for coming over. I'm Officer Laura from Security. We just need to do a quick recheck of your carry-on bag.
Oh, okay. Is there a problem?
Nothing serious. It's just a routine random check before boarding. It'll only take a minute.
Sure, no worries. Here's my bag.
Thank you. Could you please open the front pocket for me?
Of course.
Great, thank you. I see a small bottle here. Is this hand sanitizer?
Yes, it's only 50 milliliters. I kept it for the flight.
Perfect, that's fine. Anything else, liquid or gel inside?
No, just some snacks and my headphones.
All right, we'll just run a quick scan on the bag.
Okay, sure.
All clear. Thank you for your patience. You can close it now.
That was fast. Do I need to sign anything?
No need, just standard procedure. Thank you for cooperating.
Of course. I understand. You have to keep everyone safe.
Exactly. We appreciate your understanding. Here's your boarding pass back.
Thank you. Can I still board now?
Yes, boarding will start in about 10 minutes. You can wait here or grab a coffee nearby.
Perfect. Thanks again for being so kind.
My pleasure, Mr. Carter. Have a pleasant flight.
Thanks. You too. Well, your day, not the flight.
Right. Thank you.
Key phrases you learned today.
At the gate.
I just heard my name called.
We need to do a quick recheck of your carry-on bag.
It's just a routine random check.
During the inspection.
Is this hand sanitizer?
Anything else, liquid or gel inside.
We'll run a quick scan on the bag.
After recheck.
All clear. Thank you for your patience.
You can board in about 10 minutes.
Thanks again for being so kind.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Sky Lounge. How may I help you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I was wondering, is this lounge open to economy passengers or is it only for business class?
It's open to all passengers, actually. You can enter if you have a lounge membership, a premium credit card, or by paying a one-time fee.
Oh, that's great. I'm flying economy today, but I'd like to relax before my flight. How much is the entry fee?
It's $45 for 3 hours, including food, drinks, and Wi-Fi access.
Okay, that sounds reasonable. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards. You can also pay by mobile wallet if you prefer.
Perfect. Before I decide, could you tell me what's included?
Sure. Inside, we have a buffet with hot meals, snacks, coffee, and soft drinks. There's also a quiet area, shower rooms, and charging stations.
Wow, that sounds perfect. My flight doesn't leave for another 2 hours, so this would be great.
Wonderful. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. You can stay until 3:15 p.m., which gives you plenty of time before boarding.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Thank you. All done. Here's your receipt and your lounge pass.
Thanks. Just one more question. Can I re-enter if I step out for a bit?
Yes, of course. Just keep this pass with you. It's valid for multiple entries within the 3-hour limit.
Perfect. Thanks, Mia. You've been really helpful.
My pleasure, Mr. Carter. The buffet is to your left, and the seating area is straight ahead.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely afternoon.
You too, sir. Enjoy your stay.
Key phrases you learned today.
Asking about access.
Is this lounge open to economy passengers or is it only for business class?
Can I pay for entry if I don't have membership?
How much is the entry fee?
Asking about facilities.
What's included inside?
Do you have shower rooms or charging stations?
Can I re-enter if I step out for a bit?
Polite conversation.
You've been really helpful.
Enjoy your stay.
Have a lovely afternoon.
Good evening. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Is this your first time visiting the United Kingdom?
Yes, it is. I've always wanted to visit London.
That's wonderful. What's the purpose of your visit? Business or leisure?
Leisure. I'm here for a 10-day vacation.
I see. And where will you be staying during your visit?
I booked a hotel near Hyde Park, the Maplewood Hotel.
Do you have a return ticket to your home country?
Yes, here it is. My flight back is on the 20th of this month.
Perfect. Thank you. What do you do for work back home, Mr. Carter?
I work as a graphic designer for a digital marketing company in New York.
Sounds interesting. How long have you been with the company?
About 3 years now. I managed to take some time off for this trip.
That's nice. How much money are you carrying with you today?
Around £600 in cash and 2 credit cards.
That's fine. And do you have any friends or relatives living in the UK?
No, I'll just be sightseeing and exploring the city on my own.
Great. One last question. Are you bringing any food, plants, or restricted items into the country?
No, just clothes, electronics, and a camera.
All right, Mr. Carter, everything seems in order. Welcome to the United Kingdom.
Thank you so much. That was easy and fast.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip and have a lovely stay.
Thanks, Officer Grace. Have a nice evening.
You too.
Key phrases you learned today.
Common questions.
What's the purpose of your visit?
How long will you stay?
Where will you be staying?
Traveler's answers.
I'm here for a 10-day vacation.
I booked a hotel near Hyde Park.
I have a return ticket on the 20th of this month.
Polite interaction.
Everything seems in order.
Welcome to the United Kingdom.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Lost and Found counter. How may I help you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I just arrived on flight BA205 from New York, and I think I left my tablet on the plane.
I see. I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see if we can help you recover it. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Alex Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. Could you describe the tablet for me?
Yes, it's a silver iPad with a black case. There's a sticker on the back that says Carter Design Studio.
Got it. And where exactly do you think you left it?
I believe it was in the seat pocket in front of me in row 22A. I was watching a movie and forgot to take it out before landing.
That happens more often than you'd think. Do you still have your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. I'll contact the ground crew to check the aircraft. It may take a few minutes. Please have a seat while I follow up.
Sure, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Mr. Carter, good news. The cleaning team found your tablet in row 22A.
Really? That's amazing. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Before I return it, could you confirm the passcode or unlock screen description?
Yes, the lock screen shows a mountain wallpaper and the word design.
Perfect, that matches. Here you go.
Thank you. Again, you really saved my day.
My pleasure, sir. Just a reminder, always double-check the seat pocket before leaving the plane.
I definitely will next time.
Safe travels, Mr. Carter, and enjoy your stay.
Thanks. You too. Well, have a great day at work.
Thank you.
Key phrases you learned today.
Reporting the issue.
I think I left my tablet on the plane. It was in the seat pocket in front of me.
May I have your name and flight number, please?
Describing and confirming.
It's a silver iPad with a black case. Do you still have your boarding pass? Could you confirm your passcode or screen image?
Polite closing. Thank you for your help. You really saved my day. Always double check before leaving the plane.
Great work today! You've practiced real airport English, from lounge access to security rechecks to immigration and lost items. Learning tip: repeat these dialogues often, record yourself speaking, and listen back. It helps you sound more natural, fluent, and confident in real travel situations. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more English speaking and listening practice every week. See you in the next Travel English series, and have a safe journey wherever you fly.